CNC Engineering is a leader in the control retrofit industry, as well as part probes and additional axes. We wanted to put this quick little video together to go over FANUC's CNC guide and how it is helpful for operators and maintenance personnel. It can be used for CNC engineering to provide remote operator or maintenance or FANUC PMC training through different web services, thus reducing the cost of training. CNC Guide can be set up to mimic machine tools on your shop floor for program testing, remote troubleshooting some machine issues, provide operator training with hands-on control with no machine required. Also, maintenance personnel gets hands-on control experience with no machine required, the ability to learn the different FANUC screens and functions. If you look at our NC guide, we're in edit mode on our operators panel, and we show the program screen. We can click it over to auto mode. We can start a cycle, and with the use of FANUC's machine simulating software, it shows the machining path for you. You can also configure that based on your machine configuration. You can also go into system. You can see the status screen just like on the FANUC control. Go through your timers, counters, and you can also troubleshoot your ladder. And there's also a simulator I/O panel that I don't have shown at present that maintenance personnel can use to manipulate I/O and see how it affects the ladder. You can click on the tool offset screen, and the tool offset screen works just like the control, so you can simulate your programs. The operators can look at your position screen and go through and make sure that the numbers are updating and the program is behaving like it wants to. So again, CNC Guide can be used to mimic machines on your shop floor for program testing, remotely troubleshooting machine issues, providing operators with a hands-on control with no machine required, as well as maintenance personnel. CNC Engineering can provide remote operator, maintenance, or PMC training. Thank you for viewing our video. Please visit our website at cnc1.com for more information. Thank you.